Developers are hating this right now, but there's graphic designers are impressive people. But I hate to say it, but I'm just as good as a lot of graphic designers now with this tool. So I can get paid just as easy as they can. I'm sorry it took you a lot of time. It took you a lot of years of experience to get to that point. I can now do just as well as you, if not better, and quicker because I'm willing to use a specific tool. What if you could make $100 a pop for 5 seconds work? Would you be interested in that? We're going to break it down using AI.
So there's this amazing tool called Runway ML, and Runway ML has all kinds of different tools, all kinds of different things you can do with it, including, for example, turning video into a different style of video, turning text or an image into a video, removing the background on a video, turning a text into an image, turning an image into an image, and all these other things. I mean, it's really a full-featured, tons of different tools. But what we're going to focus on today is this one right here, removing the background from a video. So if you go on Fiverr right now, you see people that are charging $100 to remove the background of a video, and that's $100 a pop. And so here, and by the way, this is a Fiverr's Choice gig, and here you've got this tool that will do it for you where it removes the background. So if you click on that, you can move a video down here into this area. So drag and drop a video or click to upload your video. And once you have that, then you can click on that video.
And after you click on that video, you could remove an image. So think about it like this. The bottom line is people are willing to pay you, in this example, $100 to remove an image from a video, but there's a tool that'll do it for you in seconds. That's the key. You might not want to take hours to remove a background image to get paid $100, but if you can do it in 5 seconds, it may become more enticing to you. There's millions of people in the world that want things done, tasks done, that could take normally minutes, hours, days to do, but there's tools coming up daily, and we're focusing on one here for one aspect, one thing, that in a matter of seconds, you could perform that task that the buyer is thinking about in terms of hours, or that they don't have the skills to do themselves, or they don't want to do themselves. So someone's willing to give you $100.
Something that video editors might take, half an hour to do, you can do this in minutes, right? That's the main concept. And so this means that you can now make so much more money in so much less time. $100 a pop, $100 a pop, $100 a pop constantly by simply using an AI tool like this to generate income fast.
It's not about your experience anymore. It's not about your skills. It's not about you per se. It's can you get something done efficiently? And AI is going to make you better than anyone else. That's what we're all about. That's what this channel is all about. And we want you to be a part of our AI army. Start crushing it with AI in this method or all of the different methods we talk about, and start crushing 2024.
So join the AI Army. We're going to have a link down below. But for now, you want to be sure to sign up for our free AI newsletter, where we're going to give you the latest videos, the latest strategies like today, and all kinds of news, resources, and information. Get that free newsletter down at the link below. We'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.